Okay, here's a different style. I've been buying dumplings from wherever I could get them, basically. As you know, they're really hard to find. So, hey, here's another style. Let's see what they got. These are the petite little mini guys, as you can see. It looks like you're gonna get a solid color, and then the rare one is the mystery surprise. Looks like a sparkly guy. This one does have the plastic seal around it, so there's like no cheating, which is kind of nice. Because I mean, kind of the whole fun is just, you know, figuring out what mystery color you get. So those cheaters, I guess they just don't care. I gotta try and not tear this, but there we go. All right, so now I'm gonna close bottom so you can't peek. So let's see here. All right, I'm gonna crack open the seal and see what this one looks like. All right, here we go. Aww. Oh, he's so cute. He is even wrapped in plastic. I don't know what this thing is filled with. I'm gonna open it. I just gotta see. I'm gonna see if I can feel it a little better. Like, what in the world? Super soft. Okay, so it is a clear gel. It's like, it almost feels like, I don't know. He's super squishy. So yeah, it has a clear gel in it. That's cool, because my other small one has the dough in it, like the shaving creamy dough. And then my other one has more of like a thick gel with different mystery, like different stuff inside of it. So this one's kind of like just like the clear gel. So I like it. It's a different style. Nice. So that way if you like the gel ones, you can grab these. If you like the doughy ones, I have those. All right, let's open one more because I just want to see what other colors I got. That green is really cute. It's like a mint green. I like it. All right. Here we go. All right. Gotta do the little tappy thing. Oh, yay. That's super cute. All right. So I'm going to open it because I feel a lot better when I open. Why not? Ugh, it's child food. There it is. Oh, yeah, these are super soft and they're not sticky. I like these. All right, so here's some cutie little mystery dumplings. Another style.